Hello boys and girls, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. And today we are going to be attempting Egirl makeup for the first time. I'm sort of just guessing on this one. I haven't really oh geez, looked at too many pictures or anything like that. I haven't really watched too many tutorials, so I am just going with my instincts on this one. So I know that for like the base, it's both matte and shiny at the same time. It's really confusing. So we are going to prime with Ilia superserum skin tint, my favorite base product in the entire world, just because it feels so like lightweight. Also, this isn't sponsored. I just genuinely love Ilia that much. It's like their skin tint. I haven't tried any of their other products other than their mascara, which I do like that a lot. Also, you might notice the audio is a little bit different because I am not using the mic today because I have been having a lot of like interference in my past couple of videos. Probably because like the whole kit with like the ring light and the mic was only like $30. So I'm just gonna have to, and I didn't get a warranty on it because I thought that it wasn't gonna break. So I would just have to replace all that. One of my videos like randomly got like 50 views like a few hours after I uploaded it, even though the average watch time was only like a minute. But yeah, I thought that was really cool. I don't know why it did so well. It was the one where I used didn't use any foundation. And yeah, I just did really well on the algorithm, I guess. As far as like my videos go. Ah, no. I'm going in with this glow press powder. I don't know if it's a specific kind or if they only make one kind of press powder. But I'm just doing enough to give it the finish and not enough so that it, you know what I'm saying, like it's just for the finish. We're not really trying to add too much extra coverage or anything like that. So I don't know what kind of contour I want to use. I think I want to try this one, but I'm gonna put it on a different brush because we want our contour to be absolutely snatched. When I say absolutely snatched, I mean absolutely snatched. I would use an eyeshadow for this to give it a more matte finish, but I don't want to risk breaking my face out now that I've gotten it clear. So we want to give the illusion that we have absolutely no nose. I'm gonna make this line a little bit bigger because I've noticed that like there's always an emphasis on the line right there. Okay, why does that look crooked? That looks busted. Okay, anyways, oh yeah, I've got to contour the rest of my face. Okay, so I'm just gonna really contour with the natural shape of my face, but try to make my jawline look a little bit sharper because I've noticed that round cheeks are sort of like round yet pronounced cheeks. I don't know if that makes any sense. So I'm gonna scoop up instead of going down like I normally would. And then a little bit on the forehead. And then I'm gonna blend this out. And add Now for blush, you really want like a lot of pigmentation. So I'm gonna use this Milani cream blush. It's in the shade Merlot Moment. And it blends out to be quite pink. So I'm just gonna use my fingers because I don't wanna dirty any of my brushes with blush. I've noticed like the placement of the blush is like towards the eye but also on the cheek. I don't know, it's really confusing. I guess it's just sort of like everywhere. I'm gonna add a little bit more. I just keep on adding more and I can't help it. I did not notice anything specifically with the eyebrows, so I'm just gonna fill them in like I normally would. Now the eye makeup. This is what I have been like the most excited about. I'm gonna take this shade Stone Age from this palette, this Colourpop palette, and I'm just gonna put it on the corner of, on like the outer crease. And then just sort of blend it out towards the inside so it doesn't look like super bulky on the outer crease. So I'm gonna keep it relatively simple since this is like the first time I've done something like in this realm. I'm gonna take this Maybelline Hyper Easy liquid eyeliner, and it is a dark brown because I don't have a black liquid eyeliner anymore. Does that look good? Bless you. That actually looks really cute. That actually looks really cute. Okay. Oh yeah, I also need to add eyeshadow on my bottom lash line. Also gonna take a slightly darker color to just sort of add a little bit of depth up in my top lash line. Or my top eyelid, I mean. No. I broke it. Though I want to try to add the little eyelashes. I'm gonna wait on that. Because I feel like I'm going to ruin it if I do that. So we're gonna wait. I'm gonna go ahead and add the rest of the embellishments, and I will decide that later. I knew this was gonna happen. How do people do this and make it look good? Okay, we're just gonna keep going. It's okay. It doesn't look right. I don't like it. I'm gonna do the other eye, and if I still don't like it, then I'll take it off. Now this is gonna be difficult, especially now that I broke my eyeliner. I'm so mad. Oh wait, I was supposed to do I was supposed to do the other side first. So most people wear like really big falsies, but I don't own any falsies, so I can't wear any. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to layer mascara until I'm satisfied. Oh no. What have I done? Alright, now I gotta get all the clumps out of this. Okay, now it is lippy time. First thing you wanna do is make your Cupid's bow disappear. That looks ridiculous. I hate that, genuinely. Okay, now I'm just gonna layer lip stains. I don't like it. I'm gonna go over with this one. I'll let it dry. Alright, now I'm gonna do, after this dries, one more that's slightly darker. I mean, it's not that bad. I've been recording for 40 minutes and this is gonna be a pain in the butt to edit, but it's not that bad. My hair is flat now. Like, painfully flat, but what does it look like with my glasses on? That's cute. Yeah, let's go do my outro. Alright, that is it, boys and girls. Oh, here it is without the glasses on. This took me 40 minutes to do. Props to the people that wake up every morning and do this every day, because that, jeez. I want my Cupid's bow back though. It doesn't want to leave. Yeah, there's some inconsistencies in my foundation from using two different kinds. One's really yellow and one's really pink. And now my hair's really flat, but I mean, other than that, it definitely wouldn't be something that I'd do every day, but like, to change up my look, it's not that bad. So, that's all. See you guys in the next one. Goodbye.